This is the Monitor Audio Silver 100 7G, and on paper, it's just a pair of bookshelf speakers. But here's the thing. After spending real time with them, I realized they don't behave like bookshelf speakers at all. They sound bigger, fuller, and honestly, more expensive than they have any right to. But there's a catch that most reviews barely mention. So, are these actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it. Monitor Audio Silver 100 7G. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? These are the 7th generation Silver 100 speakers from Monitor Audio, released as part of their updated Silver lineup. They're premium bookshelf speakers designed for hi-fi enthusiasts, home theater setups, or anyone who wants serious sound without jumping to full floor standing towers. The key selling point here? A large 8-inch driver in a compact-ish cabinet. That's unusual, and it's what gives these speakers their signature big sound from a relatively small footprint. They sit in that sweet spot between entry-level and high-end audio, targeting people who want performance without completely blowing the budget. Monitor Audio Silver 100 7G Performance. I tested these with everything from jazz and acoustic tracks to bass-heavy hip-hop and even movie soundtracks. And right away, one thing stood out: the scale. These speakers sound huge. Like, close your eyes and you'd think there's a much bigger system in the room. According to expert listening impressions from sources like AudioGrade, the bass extension is seriously impressive. And yeah, I felt that. You don't just hear the bass, you feel it. For bookshelf speakers, that's rare. The mid-range is clean and natural, which means vocals, especially female vocals or acoustic instruments, come through with clarity and emotion. It doesn't feel overly colored or artificial. And then there's the treble. Monitor Audio's signature sound leans slightly bright, and that's true here too. It gives you a lot of detail, like hearing subtle textures and symbols or background effects. But if your room is already bright, it can occasionally feel a bit sharp. But here's the real-world takeaway. These speakers are fun. They're not just analytical, they actually make you want to keep listening longer.
Features and tech. Let's talk about what's going on under the hood, because this is where things get interesting. First up, the 8-inch C-Cam mid-bass driver. This is larger than what you'll find in most bookshelf speakers. What that means for you is deeper bass and more room-filling sound, without needing a subwoofer right away. Second, the gold dome tweeter with a waveguide. This helps control how sound spreads in your room. So instead of super narrow sweet spots, you get a wider listening area. Translation? You don't have to sit perfectly centered to enjoy great sound. Third, the rear Hive 2 port design. Sounds technical, but it basically improves airflow, reducing distortion and keeping bass tight and controlled, even at higher volumes. And finally, crossovers and cabinet tuning. Monitor Audio has clearly put effort into balancing these speakers. You're not just getting raw power, you're getting refinement, which is what separates good speakers from great ones. Design and build. Aesthetically, Monitor Audio knocked it out of the park here. These speakers come in multiple finishes, like real wood veneers and satin options, and they look genuinely premium. Not flashy, but classy. Something you'd actually want in your living room. The build quality is solid too. The cabinet feels dense and well-damped, which helps reduce unwanted vibrations. But here's the trade-off. They're bigger than typical bookshelf speakers, like noticeably bigger. So if you're working with a small desk or tight space, these might feel a bit overwhelming. Pros. Huge, room-filling sound that feels more like floor-standing speakers. Deep, punchy bass without needing a subwoofer. Clean, detailed mids and highs for immersive listening. Cons. Treble can feel slightly bright in certain setups. Larger size makes placement a bit tricky. Final verdict. So who are these for, and are they worth it? Look, if you're someone who wants powerful, engaging sound in a relatively compact setup, this is an easy recommendation. especially if you listen to a wide range of music or want something that doubles as a home theater front speaker. If you're upgrading from entry-level speakers, the jump in quality here is massive. You'll notice it immediately. But if you're super sensitive to bright treble or you have a very small room, you might want to consider something a bit more neutral or compact.